Yung tournament, masaya siya. My first PAP leg, I was under Black Bears. We played sa Iloilo, and yun, alam mo naman mga Filipino fans, grabe yung support, the crowd was great. It was nice playing with seasoned pros, mga naglalaro na internationally for a lot of years. Players who are way more athletic, a lot taller, a lot stronger, or sobrang honed na yung skills. It was a lot of fun playing against those guys kasi syempre parang mas may challenge, parang nag-challenge ako. So parang ginagawa kong challenge sa sarili ko na I want to score this guy, I want to stop this guy. Parang I want to beat this team na on paper sobrang lakas kasi nung naglaro kami, 6 lang kami or 7. So parang underdogs kami. So it was a lot of fun playing, proving people wrong, that parang I belong talaga sa Pro C. It was a great experience, a lot of fun. Yung coach nga pala namin nun si Jay Wash. So he's a great guy. He gave us a lot of freedom to play, gave us a lot of confidence. So yun, parang I can say talaga na playing sa TAT, tumaas talaga yung kumpiyansa ko. So yun, saka solid din siya, exposure.